Nokia 6.1 comes with a pure and secure Android. So today I am going to unbox it and check its box contents. I am Hamza from Advanced Unboxer.
It's the box of the new Nokia 6.1 comes with Android 1, and on the back of the box you get some specification about the Nokia 6.1. That Nokia 6.1 is running Android Oreo, aluminum unibody, Qualcomm Snapdragon 630, 5.5 inches of display, 16MP rear camera with size optics and 8MP front camera, dual side mode and a Qualcomm Snapdragon. Here is the pic of the Nokia 6.1, so we will unbox it and check its box contents. First of all, we will cut it with a knife and check what we get in the box. So we get our Nokia 6.1 on the top, and we have to pull it out from the box and put it there. Another thing we get is the SIM ejecting tool. Okay, so we also get a quick start guide which is in Arabic language, and we get a box in which we get some accessories we can use with Nokia 6.1. First we get a Nokia branded charger. Yeah, it's Nokia branded charger, and the charger looks like this. Okay, so also we get a hand-free Nokia's old style hand-free, and another thing we get is the Type-C charging lead. Yeah, it's a Type-C charging lead, and the lead looks like this. Guys, it's our Nokia 6.1, and we have to remove its packing and check how the phone looks like. You get a Type-C charging port and the speakers on the bottom. Here you get your SIM tray. On the top you get a headphone jack, and on this side you get a power button and a volume rockers. On the back you get a 16MP camera with size optics with a flashlight and a fingerprint sensor on the back. On front you get a Nokia logo on the top and 8MP front camera and a main mic. So we will power it on and check how the phone looks like. So guys, the phone has been set up and the phone is looking pretty good. So let's check the camera, and now I am going to take some pics. The camera is looking much better than the previous Nokia 5 and Nokia 6. Yeah, it's much better. Pics are pretty good, and yeah, it's much better. Another interesting thing in this phone is when the screen power off, and when you double tap like this on the screen automatically power on. You can see when you double tap on the screen like this, the screen automatically power on. And it's a complete package of Nokia 6.1, and the phone is pretty good.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel.